Guide to charges by banks, other financial institution and non-financial institution. January 1. Let us see the guide to charges so that you will understand this is how they operate. Now, this is the appendix and all that you need to know. Interest on deposit. This one is for banks. So I don't want to waste our time on other financial institution, microfinance bank. Now, if you go to this time, current account, this is for interest on deposit. That's if you want to deposit money with them. Savings account, 30%. I'm not interested in that. I'm interested in interest rates on lending fee. Now, the interest rate on lending fee on loan authorized, it is called negotiable. Before it was 3%, maximum of 3%. Now, negotiable it is subject to MPR, monetary policy rates, and other supporting documents. Currently in Nigeria, the monetary policy rate is 26.5. Last year it was 27.5. And it is not that one is the benchmark. You cannot say it's now monetary policy rate, so therefore I can add 50% on that loan. It doesn't work that way. So there is a benchmark which is 27% per month, 27% per year. 27.5% per year. Which is let me bring out my calculator. So 27.5%, 27.5 divided by 12 will give you 2.2% or 2.3% per month. Now this is what CBN recommended, like flat rates. Now, give or take, they know that there will be operational costs, there will be SS, there will be staff, and all those things. They expect them to, even if you are charging 5%, we can still say, well, it's high, but like most banks they charge about 3%, 3.2, 3.5, 2.8, just like that. The highest I've seen for banks is around 3% per month. Now, even if you are loan apps or microfinance, they are supposed to charge maximum, even if it is 100% now, which is 5%. 5% on loan, we can say is exploitative. Let me tell you, and even 5% is high. Not to talk of loan apps or all these microfinance bank charging as much as 20%. Can you see the difference between 2.2% and 20%? That's about 1,000% high. Not even 100%, not 200, not 300, not 400, not 500, 1,000%. To tell you that these guys, no, if we don't act fast, this guy is going to give us a lot of problem. They're going to give us a lot of problem. All these loan apps. Imagine 2.2, and if they want to charge, that's times 10. That's 22 times 10 of it. Times 10, that is about 1,000%. 2.2. So times 10 of what CBN said they should do. They are doing times 10. Some of them are doing times 50, times 100. That is exploitative. That's why they can't do anything. It's like, imagine charging 40% on loan in 7 days. So 40% times 4, that's 160% compared to 2.2%. Even if we call it, even if it is 8%, we can say, okay, maybe because of risk. Compared to 2, that is, may God help us in Nigeria. That one is by the way.